welcome back to the channel. As the name says on here, journal. So today we're going to set up one of my journals. I got two. I'll show you the other one, what I did yesterday. This one is more of a daily or weekly journal. It should have been a travel journal, but fortunately that didn't happen. So now it's going to be sort of my day-to-day or weekly, whenever I feel like documenting some of the things that are happening right now in my life. Which is, you know, sort of starts with the summer. So let's do that. I'll show you how I set it up. Like I mentioned it was actually a real sort of planner journal where you had to plan out things, and there was goal setting and all that, but I didn't get too far. I'm not one of who's very good with those things, so you know, it didn't work out. Anywho's, so this is the journal. It's pretty sturdy. It's black, which I kind of like. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to do anything on the outside. I'm going to put something here, but other than that, I don't know yet. But so we open it up. I'm gonna get you guys a little further away. See better what's going on here. So we have what I like. It got the ring. It's ring bound. Easy to make thicker. The pages. So speaking of pages, they're thinner and they're not really made for painting on it. So what I decided to do is I'm just going to glue two and two together, make them stronger. And because some of them are written on and they have stuff on it, some have sayings. I might actually keep that. But planning stuff, which I don't really need anymore. Sorry, that was the door. I am going to, glue two together, which I did here, and then I went to magazine. I have a stack of Martha Stewart magazines. Whoops, it's not really in focus. There you go. So I torn out some pages that I liked and started gluing them in as a background color. I really like this one, and because Martha Stewart has beautiful photography in there, and that's why I always love these magazines so much. So I like this sort of, I don't know what color this is, grayish, bluish, greenish color, and this lilac color. So I'm gonna have to do something with the front, but I'm not sure yet. So what I'm gonna show you now is I'm gonna glue these together. I'm going to glue a couple together, show you, and then I show you how I glue the background in on this one. And yeah, so let's do that. Okay, what I'm using, we can use all kinds of mediums. I have a bunch here, but right now I'm just going to use some school glue to do it. Don't need to make a mess of one of the brushes. That's the problem with the glue. It always gets sticky and you have to wash it out right away. I'm not very good at that. So that, then obviously the pages I was talking about, whatever magazine pages, I'm gonna go through them when I'm gonna do that. Let's do it. Okay, so these pages are already glued together. I'll do the next one, do a couple of pages, and then we'll glue in some magazine cutouts or tear-outs or whatever you want to call it.
On your sleeve, it's a fine line between letting go and losing control. So I take my love and hide it away from those who steal till I find my way.
You know, they're thicker. I like it better. Now, let's see which one I should use. There we go. Let me cut this one. See, look how cool that is on the back. It's been cool too. I gotta decide. I don't know, should I just leave it on one side? Just cut it in half, I guess. Snippins, here we go. Glad it's not bigger. But I think I'm not going to put this on here because these pages are better because they don't, I don't have to paint over them as much. I'm just going to play and kind of put it like sort of collage order. These heads are the rest. So there you go. This is how it's supposed to be. Maybe just do it this way on the bottom, and then on the top make a sky. Since it's beach day, that's what I'm gonna do. And keep the little ones for another time. I still like them. Okay, glue that in. Tried to buy a bigger one but didn't have any. Maybe when back to school is going to be starting, even though there's not really school happening much, but you can't see it because the sun is coming in. There. Sun is gone. Now you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of some of this stuff here and get more organized. And then we're gonna go to the next part, the fun part. Okay, this is it for the first part. In the second part, you will see how I create the page. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and hit that bell to get notified when the next video is up. See you then!